In this video, you'll learn how to create a dentist dental clinic website using WordPress and Elementor. This process will guide you through setting up your site step by step, ensuring you have a professional online presence for your dental practice. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Look for the option labeled Sites in the main menu. This is typically located at the top of the page. Once you click on Sites, you will be directed to a screen displaying your existing sites or an option to create a new one. Next, locate and click on the button that says Create with AI. This action will initiate the process of setting up your new website. After you click, a new screen will appear informing you that the AI is laying the foundations for your website. After that, wait for the AI to load and prepare your site. A loading indicator may appear indicating that the system is processing your request. It is important to be patient during this phase, as it may take a moment for the AI to complete its setup. Once the preparations are finished, a message will prompt you to make your website unique. This is your opportunity to customize your site to reflect your dental clinic's branding. Look for a text box where you can enter the phrase "Create a dentist dental clinic website." Continue by clicking on the Enter button to proceed. This action will confirm your input and move you to the next step in the website creation process. After clicking, you should see a confirmation message indicating that WordPress.com can create the specified type of website. Next, type in the choice provided on the screen, which typically relates to your site's focus. After typing your selection, click on Enter once again. This will confirm your choice and take you to the next step in the setup. Following that, you will be asked to provide a site title. This title will be displayed in the browser tab when visitors access your site. Type in the name that you want to represent your dental clinic. After entering the site name, click Enter to confirm. This action will take you to the next prompt, where you will be asked to provide a short tagline or description for your website. This tagline will help visitors understand what service you offer. Now, type in a tagline that succinctly describes your dental practice. After typing, click on Enter to confirm your input. This tagline will enhance your site's visibility in search results and social media previews. Next, click on Create My Site to finalize the creation process. This button will initiate the site setup based on the information you have provided. A loading screen may appear showing that your site is being created. After clicking, you may see a prompt that says, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is currently generating your website. It is essential to remain patient during this phase, as it might take some time. Wait for the generation process to complete. You may notice a progress indicator, which will inform you of the stat of your site's creation. This step is crucial as it ensures all components are properly set up. Finally, be aware that this might take a while. The generation process can vary in duration based on the complexity of your site and server conditions. Once completed, you will be directed to your new website, ready for further customization and content addition. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.